Good morning. I'm Dr. Raju V. Now I'm going to discuss the topic importance of agriculture in Indian economy. Though industry has been playing an important role in Indian economy, still the contribution of agriculture in the development of Indian economy cannot be ignored. The first and foremost importance of agriculture in Indian economy is that agricultural influence on national income. Agriculture has been influencing Indian national income to a greater extent, right from the beginning, that is, beginning of the planning era, 1951 onwards, agriculture has been contributing a lot towards Indian national income. As of now, that is during 2021, this time, about 19% of, share has been contributed, by the agriculture towards Indian national income. Another importance of agriculture in case of Indian economy is that agriculture plays a vital role in generating employment. In India, at least two-thirds of the working population earn their livelihood through agricultural work. In India, other sectors have failed to generate much of employment opportunity, to the growing working population. And at this juncture, agriculture has been contributing, both direct, indirect jobs, to the, ruralities. Another importance of agriculture is that agriculture makes provision for food for the ever increasing population. Due to the excessive, pressure of population, labor surplus economies like India, and rapid increase in the demand for food production increases at a fast, rate. The existing levels of food consumption in these countries are very low, and with a little increase in the per capita income, the demand for food rises steeply. You know, in other words, it can be stated that the income elasticity of demand for food is very high in developing countries. Therefore, unless agriculture is able to continuously increase its marketed supplies of food grains, a crisis is like to emerge. Many developing nations are passing through this phase, and in a bid to make arrangements to increase food requirement, agriculture has been developed. Okay, so really, agriculture makes provision for food for the ever increasing population. Okay, irrespective of certain constraints. And the next is that agriculture has been contributing towards capital formation. There is a general agreement on the necessity, capital formation. Since agriculture happens since agriculture happens to be the largest industry in a developing country like India, it will have to play an important role in pushing up the rate of capital formation. If it fails to do so, the whole process, of economic development will suffer a setback. Therefore, importance of agriculture also lies in, capital formation. Okay, and next is that supply of raw material, to agro-based industries. Agriculture supplies raw materials to various agro-based industries like sugar, jute, cotton, textile, and vanaspati industries. Food processing industries are similarly dependent on agriculture. Therefore, the development of these industries entirely is dependent on agriculture. And another importance of agriculture is that, agriculture provides market for industrial products. Increase in rural purchasing power is very necessary, highly essential for industrial development, as two-thirds of Indian population live among villages. After Green Revolution, the purchasing power of the large farmers increased due to their enhanced income and negligible tax burden. Again, another prominence of agriculture in Indian economy is that influence on internal and external trade and commerce. Indian agriculture plays a major role in internal and external trade of the country. Internal trade in food grains and other agricultural products, help in the expansion of service sector. Okay, and next comes, that is what we say, contribution in government budget. Okay, of course, agriculture has been contributing towards government budget too. Right from the first 5-year plan, agriculture is considered as a prime revenue collecting sector for the both central and state governments. However, the governments could earn huge revenue from agriculture and its allied activities like cattle rearing, animal husbandry, poultry farming, fishing, and etc. Indian Railway, along with the state transport system, also earn a handsome revenue as freight charges for agriculture products, both semi-finished and finished one. And another importance of agriculture in Indian economy is the need of labor force. A large number of skilled and unskilled laborers are required for the construction works and in other fields. This labor is supplied by Indian agriculture. And next another importance of agriculture is that greater competitive advantages. Indian agriculture has a cost advantage in several agricultural commodities in the export sector because of low labor costs and self-sufficiency in output supply. Thank you.